Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to send money online with MoneyGram. So to get started, you can send money using MoneyGram through their website or mobile app. So with options like bank transfer, debit/credit card, or even Apple Pay. So to get started, so if you're on MoneyGram website, go to the moneygram.com and sign into your account or create an account for free. If you don't have an account opened by them, then click send money on the home page and enter the recipient country, amount, and the delivery method, which is cash pickup, bank deposit, mobile wallet, and all of that. Then once you're done with that, enter the recipient details, which is the name, the address, the phone number, or the bank information, depend on the delivery method. So what that is done as well, choose your payment method, which can be your debit card, your credit card, or your bank account. Then review the fee, exchange rate, and the total. So what that is being reviewed, confirm, and send the money. And once that is done, you will get a reference number, which is your MTCN, to share it with the recipient for cash pickup. Then if you're on the MoneyGram app for the iOS or Android, so just make sure you log into your account first, then tap send money and follow the same steps as the website. Then choose the country, then also the amount, delivery method. Once that is done, enter the recipient information, select the payment method, then confirm and save. Confirm and send. You can as well as share the MTCN if it's for cash pickup. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.